In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about TeamViewer, one of the most useful applications in the remote desktop scene. It allows you to connect to your home computer from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection available. To begin, we will visit the TeamViewer website so we can download and install the setup file. Once we're on the website, we'll click on the Downloads tab. Next, we'll select the specific operating system. In this case, I'm using a Mac, so I'll download for Mac. Just to keep things clear, I'm using Safari on a Mac operating system, so the process might be slightly different compared to a Windows operating system or other browsers. Next, we will run the file by clicking on the completed download, and then we'll start the setup process. We'll hit continue. Agree to the terms and agreements. Agree. After clicking install, I'll be prompted to enter my password. We could go ahead and close the browser since we're finished downloading the application. There we go. Welcome to TeamViewer. The first thing I would quickly like to show you is how to create a new account. You'll do this by clicking on sign up. You would enter your email, your first name, your last name, and your password. You could subscribe to TeamViewer free newsletters by clicking on the box. You have to verify that you're not a robot, and you will click sign up. I already have a TeamViewer account, so I won't be signing up today. I'll go ahead and sign in. Once I'm signed in, I'll be able to view my TeamViewer's ID and password. I would give my user ID to someone I want to access my computer, but in this case, I will show you how to have access to another computer. And for demonstration purposes, I'll be using my desktop. So I would add a remote computer, and I would have to get my desktop's user ID and password. I could give my desktop a name just so it will be saved in my contacts. Desktop 1. Okay. In order to have access to this desktop, I'll have to double click on it and it will connect. There we go. We were able to connect to my desktop and we're able to view all the applications on the desktop. Let's say I was trying to access something on my desktop and I wasn't supposed to. The person on the desktop could manually kick me off the session by clicking on the X on their screen, and this would disconnect the TeamViewer session. So this tutorial was about downloading and installing TeamViewer and also connecting to TeamViewer using another computer.